Welcome back to Leo and Anna English. Stay with us and your English will grow today.
And maybe your life too. Let's talk.
I'm serious, Anna. English changed my life.
Okay, big words. Show me proof.
All right, let me tell you a story. 5 years ago, I was very shy. I couldn't even order coffee in English.
Wait, really? You? The talkative one?
Yes, me. I would just point at the menu. I was too scared to say one word.
I know that feeling so well. My hands used to shake before a phone call.
Exactly. So one day, I made a choice. I decided to speak, even with mistakes.
Just like that? That sounds easy when you say it.
No, it wasn't easy at all, trust me. The first time I said the wrong word, the waiter laughed a little.
Oh no, that's my worst nightmare.
I know, my face turned so red, I wanted to run out of the shop.
Oh, I would have run, honestly.
But here's the thing, Anna. The next day, I went back.
You went back after all that?
Yes, and this time it worked. I ordered my coffee, the waiter smiled.
Okay, that's actually brave. I like it.
It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up again.
Showing up. Wait, what does that mean?
Good question. Show up means to come, to be there, even when it's hard.
Oh, so I show up for my English class.
Exactly. You don't quit. You show up.
I love that. Show up again and again.
That's the secret. Small steps every day.
But Leo, here's my real problem. I study a lot. My life feels the same.
Ah, that's a really common feeling.
Right? I learn new words, but nothing changes.
Can I be honest with you?
Please, be honest with me.
Studying alone won't change your life. Using English will.
Wait, what's the difference between them?
Studying is closing the book at home. Using is talking to a real person.
Oh, so I need to use it more.
Yes, that's where the magic happens.
You know, my cousin did exactly that. She practiced English with tourists in our town.
Oh, nice. Tell me more about her.
Well, she was so nervous at first, but she kept talking every single day. One day, a tourist offered her a job.
A job just from talking to tourists?
Yes, now she works at a big hotel. She earns more money than ever before.
See? That's exactly what I mean. One small choice opened a big door.
A big door. I really like that picture.
English is like a key, Anna. It opens doors you can't even see yet.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
And the best part? Anyone can hold the key.
Even shy people? Even slow learners like me?
Especially them. They just need to start.
Okay, but starting is the scary part.
I know, the first step always feels big.
It feels huge, actually, like a wall.
But a wall has small bricks, right?
Oh, I see where you're going.
One brick a day, that's all it takes.
You know, that reminds me of something. When I was young, I hated English.
Really? You? But you teach it now.
I know, life is funny like that. In school, my grades were so bad. My teacher said I had no talent.
Oh, that's a hard thing to hear.
It hurt. I believed her for years. I thought some people just can't learn.
But clearly that wasn't true.
No, one summer, everything changed. I found an English song I loved.
A song? Tell me which one.
Oh, I won't tell you that one, but I played it again and again. I wanted to know every single word.
So the song became your first teacher.
Exactly. Suddenly, English wasn't a subject, it was something I actually cared about.
That's the real key, isn't it? You stop studying and start caring.
Yes, and my no talent was a lie.
It was. You just hadn't found your why.
My teacher gave up on me too early.
But you didn't give up on yourself.
I almost did, more than once.
What kept you going in the end?
Honestly, a little stubborn voice inside. It said, "Try one more time."
I love that voice. We all need it.
In the end, that's what matters most. Okay, you've convinced me a little. But what about people who feel too old?
Oh, that's a great question. I hear it all the time, honestly.
My uncle says he's too old to learn.
How old is he, if I can ask?
45. He thinks his brain is full.
The brain is never full, Anna. My grandmother started English at 60.
60? No way! That's amazing.
She wanted to talk to her grandkids abroad. They live in another country, you see.
Oh, that's so sweet. Did it work?
It did. Now they video call every week. She tells them long stories in English.
I'm almost crying. That's so lovely.
Age is just a number, you know. The real question is your reason why.
My reason why. Let me think.
Take your time. It matters a lot.
I want to read books without translation. I want to understand movies, no subtitles.
Those are strong reasons. Hold on to them.
Hold on to them. Is that a phrase too?
Yes, good catch. Hold on to something. It means keep it close and don't lose it.
So I hold on to my dream. I keep it.
Exactly. When it's hard, your reason pulls you back.
That's powerful. Okay, I'm writing this down.
Look at you, taking real notes now.
Hey, I'm a good student today.
You really are. And speaking of good students, if this story helps you, drop a like, so we know you're learning with us.
And hit subscribe to Leo and Anna English. We make these talks just for you.
Now, back to the magic of English.
Yes, so how do we actually start?
Simple. Pick one small thing today. Maybe one new word. Maybe one sentence.
Just one? That feels too easy, Leo.
That's the trick. Easy things you repeat. Hard things you quit.
Oh, that's true. I always quit hard plans.
We all do, so we go small and steady.
Small and steady. Okay, I can do that.
Let me give you a real example.
Please, I love real examples.
My friend learned 5 words a day. Just 5. Nothing more, nothing less.
5 words? That sounds so small.
It is small, but count with me. 5 words a day for 1 year.
Wow, almost 2,000 words.
Now he reads the news in English.
From 5 little words a day. Incredible.
That's how big things are built.
Brick by brick, like you said.
Exactly. You remembered it well.
But Leo, can I share a worry?
Of course. What's on your mind?
Some people are afraid to make mistakes. They stay silent because of that fear.
Ah, the silent learner. I know them.
That was me for a long time.
So what finally changed for you?
I learned that mistakes are not failures. They're just proof that you're trying.
That's so true. Native speakers make mistakes too.
Wait, really? Even them?
All the time. Nobody speaks perfectly.
That actually makes me feel better.
It should. Perfect is not the goal. Clear and brave, that's the goal.
Clear and brave. I'm keeping that one.
And here's a small tip for the shy ones.
Yes, please. The shy ones need help.
Talk to yourself in English at home.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm strange.
Let them think that. Your bathroom mirror won't judge you.
That's a good point, actually. No mirror ever laughed at my grammar.
See? Practice where it feels safe first.
Then take it outside step by step.
Now you're thinking like a real learner.
And here's something to remember too. You don't change your life in one day. You change it the same day, every day.
Whoa! Say that one more time.
You don't change your life in one day. You change it the same day, every day.
That's gonna stay in my head.
I hope so, because it's true for English.
And true for everything else, right?
Right. The small days add up slowly.
So my advice to everyone listening, don't wait for the perfect moment.
Yes, the perfect moment is right now.
Start today, even with one shaky word.
even if a waiter laughs at you.
Oh, poor past Leo.
Hey, past Leo was very brave.
He was. And look at me now.
Look at us, talking, laughing in English.
This is the life English gave us.
And it can give it to you, too.
It really can. We're proof of that.
We are two shy people talking freely now.
So whoever is listening right now, your story can change starting today.
One word, one brave moment, one small day.
So keep listening. Keep showing up.
Keep holding on to your reason why.
We'll see you in the next one.
From Leo and Anna, keep going.